Hi, everyone. It's Lee Goldstein, the trading director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. And it's definitely going to be unusual the way that we cover it today. Not every trade of the week is exactly the same. Not every trade of the week is me or our company making money, but we're going to highlight our members who made money today and a lot of money on the U.S. jobs report. So let me show you what happened. All of our trades start with the daily market mover, the report that tells us how we're going to trade the event. And in this event, we told our members, even though it was a high risk trade, that if gold worked, it was going to be a very good trade. Gold has been struggling. The last 4 out of 6 monthly jobs reports have been stops, whipsaws. But the last two, even though July says it was a stop, it showed me some very interesting movement that for some people was not a loser, it was the winner. So I was thinking it's very possible that the gold report and the instrument gold is starting to trade better. We recommended a bigger bracket, a bracket of 20, and also conservative targets. And member after member after member made a ton of money on this report. What happened to me in the trade room was very unusual. I traded the NQ and I didn't get filled. Let's watch and see what happened. But I could see in watching the movement that we had on this particular event. Watch, here it is. Look at this explosion. The NQ, it prints a candle in a nanosecond. Let me explain what I mean. So look at how fast the price of the NQ bursts up on the chart. It's so fast that in real life, what happened was there weren't enough orders to fill me. But gold moved much further, a little bit more slowly, and everyone that traded gold had a monster trade because they got filled. It's not always about how much money I make in the trade room. The most important thing to us, the reason our company exists, is because we want to teach you how to make money in the trade room. If you followed our DMM today, our daily trade report that we released yesterday, then you had an awesome trade. Let me show you how some of our members did. Now we're going to have to use a little trust on this first screenshot. The member who's a regular member in our trade room made $1,980 on the jobs report trading gold. You can see this little green area here. Let me see if I can show you. I'm going to make a mark here. I'm doing this all in real time. Right over here. I just want you to know I'm telling the truth. This green is profit. If it was a losing trade, it would be red. $1,980. That was the trade of the day for one of our members. I know you're thinking to yourself, how could someone make that much money on a trade that just takes a few seconds? Watch the way gold moves, though. It explodes and it keeps going. It keeps going so far, it's off my chart and it's still going up. And profits are being larger and larger. It doesn't even, finally, it starts to pull back after 10 seconds. They're out of the trade by then. And it kept going up, though. So it never challenged their stops. The price of gold just exploded, making from, look at that move, a monster trade. So if you're ever wondering why these trades sometimes work, it's because the price just explodes and keeps going in one direction. Look at that. It's off my chart. So that was 1980 bucks. Trade number two, another member was trading a different instrument. I know for a fact his original trade was flat or he lost a few dollars and then got right back in and made $445 using our software on the jobs report. And then finally, I've got one more excellent member screenshot. Ralph is a regular member of our trade room. This is not the first jobs report screenshot he's ever sent me. $770 profit on this morning's jobs report. Now, this is all very meaningful to me. It's important that all the work I put in is taken to heart and people make money on these trades. So when I say to you the trade of the week is US jobs because our members made a ton of money, that's the trade of the week. Let me show you the event one more time. We start off by showing the daily report so people know how to set up their trades. We discuss it in the trade room. They get ready. We talk for 10 minutes and discuss what could happen, what you might be thinking about, and then watch again how gold exploded. They had a 20 tick bracket. It moved well more than that, pulling them into the market on the long side, giving so many members their trade of the week. So thanks everybody for watching. I'm Lee Goldstein, the trading director at 10 Minute Trades. Keep an eye on your inbox. We're going to have a fantastic offer for you if you want to get involved with us, especially software. JOBB version 10 is out. It's doing great. And I hope everybody has an awesome holiday weekend. And I'll see you in the trade room. Take care, folks. The trade of the week, U.S. Jobs Report.